What's up, y'all? So purpose of today's video is I wanted to start to play around with the vinyl wrap to see how it acts towards certain things. The first thing is going to be chemicals, so I wanted to do like pick up some Goo Gone. I wanted to see how, if you spray that on there, how easily the vinyl wrap comes up. I also wanted to take it to a car wash and see how the wands perform, and to see if you can damage the vinyl wrap or take the film apart or anything like that with the wand, and just see what kind of pressure we get off of those. Third, I wanted to use a heat gun at home. Go ahead and take the film off that way. At the end of the day, I definitely want to hit up all three of those subjects and see how the vinyl acts to everything. Let's get into it. I'm taking this off. So I picked this up at Walmart, the Goo Gone little plastic scraper. And then I also picked up some some detailing towels, a little sponge, and some waterless car wash to kind of get some of that Goo Gone off, and hopefully free up some of this other debris that's in here, that's been sitting in here. So, yep, let's get into it. Nothing worked. So clearly the Goo Gone kind of helped. I mean, it helped. I was able to get some of this stuff off, but it's just so brittle that it just keeps coming apart. So not the best solution. Definitely have to get some heat on this. We're in a car wash, and I'm just curious to see what kind of pressure we get out of this thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna use that gun over there and see what we can do here. All right, everybody, back home. So as promised, heat gun. I did say I was gonna use pressure washer, but obviously it's gonna work better. Frankly, I really don't want to take the chance on messing up any of the paint or any of the trim, because the pressure washer will do it if you're not careful enough. So I'm gonna set this to high. You can use a low setting if you want. This thing goes up to like 1100 degrees. But you just kind of want to work it slowly, kind of get some of these edges pulled up. Just heat this general area up here. There we go. And then this is just gonna start coming up. And you gotta keep it moving, you know? You don't wanna stay in one spot for too long. Same process for putting it on. And you can see this is clearly working a lot better than the chemicals and stuff. I'm going to get this off. I just want to see some silver. So clearly heat is the winner. You know, you use the heat to put it on and you're gonna use heat to take it off. So kind of makes sense, right? So that's done. And you know, the new wrap's coming and everything, but yeah, so that's it for now.